What's going on, family? This is David W. Williams, the online traffic expert and the founder and owner of Digital Underground Online. Up late tonight. I was watching Houston getting blown out by Golden State. So we'll go ahead and shoot this video real quick, and it's going to be how to maximize your solo ad spin part 1, and we're going to talk about split testing capture pages. And so the reason why we want to talk about split testing capture pages is kind of something that's a foundation of how to maximize your solo ad spin, is that you want to figure out what capture page is getting the best opt-in rate. And the opt-in rate will be defined as the percentage of people that are opting in. This is a very foundational level, I want to say, metric that you want to start looking at. We can get deeper into why you want to get the best opt-in rate, but right now we want to look at, you want to try to figure out what capture page is going to get the best opt-in rate. So what you don't want to do is just make one capture page. What you want to do is you want to make 2 capture pages. And once you make 2 capture pages, there's a very easy way to split test those capture pages and to figure out which one is going to get the best opt-in rate. And you can use a program called HyperTracker. HyperTracker is probably like $20, $25 a month. And it allows you to very easily and for a very low cost split test your capture pages to get the idea of which capture page is performing the best out of the 2. And then you keep the first one, and then you just continue to split test capture pages until you find one that you feel is really performing well for you. So when you open up HyperTracker, you're going to log in. You're going to go to campaigns. You're going to go to create. Okay, and then you have your campaign ID. You just put something in there. Let me go ahead and create something. Your campaign name. It can also be something similar. Okay, then you describe what you want in your campaign. So you're going to describe that it's going to be a test campaign and that it's going to be a split test. And then you probably would describe it to be over, let's say, 500 clicks. So essentially you should get 250 clicks to one page and 250 clicks to the next page. I don't use group names. I don't really use a campaign password. I don't need a campaign cost because it's not a pay per click. I want to use once per session, okay, to get clicked. And then what I do here is I enter the URL of each capture page in here. So very similar to where you see it in the example site, where you're going to have it here. Then you put the next campaign URL underneath that. Then all you got to do is hit click, create new campaign. Okay, and let me show you an example of how I've done them. If you look at this particular campaign, you see how it was 2 URLs, but the tracking URL came up as 1 URL. And so what is going to happen is that when a person clicks on this URL, what HyperTracker will do is it will measure the clicks, and it'll say, okay, click 1 goes to the first capture page, click 2 goes to the second capture page, click 3 goes to the first capture page, click 4 goes to the second capture page, and it will just keep repeating that over and over again until you go ahead and use up all your clicks. And so this is very helpful because you need to understand that if you're getting a 30% opt-in rate and you're getting a 20% opt-in rate, you're going to be spending more money to build your list at a 20% opt-in rate. So what you don't want to do is have confidence in one page. You want to have confidence in multiple pages, and you understand that by split testing your pages. This is another reason why you don't want to let your company give you stock pages and tell you just to run those if you haven't done any testing on them yourself. So understand, when you're new, when you're first coming to the industry, these things may seem complicated. But if you're really going to run a real business as an internet marketer, as an affiliate marketer, you have to understand the metrics behind your pages and understand how to test them and how to track them. For one, it's going to improve your performance of your pages. But the most important thing is that it's going to improve your money as you run your campaigns. And this works the same whether you're doing solo ads. This concept also works when you're doing a pay-per-click or Facebook advertising. If you're using any type of capture page, you want to test it against other capture pages and figure out which one is performing the best. So watch this video over and over again. Like I said before, HyperTracker is a very inexpensive and a very easy program to use. And go ahead, apply this to your list building. And when you see me, say thank you, because you appreciate how I saved you money and I was trying to maximize your solo ad spend. This is David W. Williams, the online traffic expert, the founder and owner of Digital Underground Online. Peace out.